Good morning students and welcome to the literacy skill book. Students, open the page number 51. So here, before going to the page, here we are going to skip this few action words. This we will skip. This we will do later on, because for the exam we have to prepare for this one and many. So children, here you can see one and many. So here first is given a rose. This is rose and these are the roses. So here it is a flower and here flowers. This is only one flower and here 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers are given. So these are flowers. Now here you can see one book, only one book. Here there are many books, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are many books. Now here this is a lollipop, one lollipop. These are many lollipops, 1, 2 and 3 are there. So many lollipops. This is one monkey and these are many monkeys, 1, 2, 3. So we say it monkeys. So when there is one it is monkey, and here when it is 3, more than one, it is monkeys. This is ice cream, one ice cream, many ice creams. So here ice cream spelling you see, and here ice creams, yes, is added to the spelling. So here we will learn something more. So here students, tick the box with one thing and cross out the box with many things. Now one flower is there and here there are many flowers. So what we have to do is we have to tick for the one thing. Tick the box with one thing. We have to tick and we have to cross for the many. So here you have seen only one flower is there. We have to tick. Here there are many flowers. So we have to cross out the flowers. Now here you can see pumpkin. So here only it is one pumpkin. You have to tick. These are many pumpkins, 1, 2 and 3. So here we will cross out. This is one duck and these are 3 ducks. So many ducks. So again we will tick for one duck and we will cross out for many ducks. Now here you see the rats. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So many are there. So here we will cross out. And here there is only one. For this we have to tick. Again one bird is there on the branch. So we will tick for the bird. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there, 6, 7. So we will cross out. So children, this you have to do it. Now we will go for the next ones. Page number 53. One and many. Write the many words for each by adding yes. We have to add yes for many. So here you can see an apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. Here you can see apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples are there. So here apple spelling is given, A-double-P-L-E, apple. So here in front of it we have to add yes. A-double-P-L-E-S, apples. Now children, here this is a ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Here there are many balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the same spelling we have to write there, but there we have to add yes. BALLS, balls. Next is frog. FROG, frog. Here there are 6 frogs. FROG. So here what we will write? We will write again yes. So these are frogs. FROGS, frogs. Now here this is a plate. PLATE, plate. Here you can see plates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are many plates. So here we will again add yes. PLATES, plates. Now you can see book. BOOK, book. Here there are many books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for the book BOOK, book, we will add yes. BOOKS, books. In the further class, we will learn about singular and plural. So that is the same, one and many. Here this is tree. TREE, tree. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are trees. So again we will add yes here. TREES, trees. So hope you understand. Now here this is practice. Write these words in the correct columns. Now children, you know, here it is given ONE, one, and here it is given MANY, many. So for one thing you have to write here only. What is given only one, that you have to write in this box. I will show you the first one. Now here what is this? CAT, cat. So cat we have to write down here. CAT, cat. Now here there is books. Bag. BAGS, bags. So this many, no, because yes is added here. So we have to write for many. We have to write bags. BAGS, bags. Now again you can see GIRLS, girls. So where, in which box we will write? In one we will write or in many we will write? Yes, we will write in the many because yes is added here. Girl, girls. So we will write here girls. GIRLS, girls. Here now it is rope. ROPE, rope. So it is only one rope. So this is only one rope. ROPE, rope. Now here DESK, desk. Desk means only one desk. DESK, desk. So one will come in this column and many will come in this column. Now you can see pencils. PENCILS, pencils. So this we will write here. PENCILS, pencils. Now this is paper. PAPER, paper. So paper will come in ones. PAPER, paper. KIDS, kids. So this comes in many. KIDS, kids. DOGS, dogs. This also comes in many. DOGS, dogs. The last one is shoe. So this is only one shoe. The shoe comes in one. S-H-O-E, shoe. So now children, you see this and you do it in your book correctly. Hope you understand. So next I will send you the picture of this so that you can write it correctly. Thank you.